let's get started with memory allocation. So allocations, again, are only a problem if they are allocated in the heap, and second, they are just temporary. If you allocate something on the heap and you want to keep using that for the rest of the application, for example, if you have a dictionary or a pool or something like this, then that is fine. Now, why is this the case? Well, the case is that whenever your heap reaches a certain threshold or a limit, then the garbage collector is going to kick in. And what does the garbage collector do? Well, it navigates through the references that you have in your heap, through all the object references, tries to find whatever is not being used anymore, and then frees that portion of memory. This process takes a long time. It can take up to 1 second, at least in my experience, especially if you are targeting mobile. What is the result of this? Well, the result is that the garbage collector is going to block the main thread and it's going to freeze your gameplay. Do you think your users like it? I guess not.